The damaged infrastructure of Sechuasby School has created dissatisfaction amidst the parents of the school students. The school walls of Sechuasby School have been damaged. Here and there are many cracks are visible, which have created a risky atmosphere for the students as well as for the teachers too. The guardians of the pupils demand that immediate renovation for those damaged walls and broken floor to create a healthy academic environment for the school.
এবার তো ভালো দেখছেন, এর আগে তো আরো খারাপ অবস্থা। আপনার মাথার উপর দেখে দেখুন ছাদের অবস্থা। বসো বসো।